Hi everyone and welcome to the Brilliant Little Backyard. This is the first harvest of the miracle tree where I grafted 10 different tomatoes on one of the Divil plant, and we're going to harvest some. That's the ox heart. The ox heart tomatoes, it's the most productive of all of them. And they're ready to harvest, but the Roma is not yet ready, but also the black cherry. So that's the black cherry and the ox heart. That's the first harvest. Hopefully in the next few weeks there will be plenty of Roma and the beef steak up here, and more of the eggplant. I'm hoping to harvest some in the next few weeks. Please like, share and subscribe. I will show you in progress videos what's going to happen with this now 4-meter tall miracle plant with eggplant, chili and different type of tomatoes on one plant. Thank you so much, and I will see you soon in the next video. Bye for now.